guys, what's up? It's Jess and welcome back. Today I'm doing a Dollar Tree DIY. So I was in TJ Maxx the other day and I found one of those cute little faux plants in the little vases, but they were like $12.99 and I couldn't pull myself to buy it since I wanted two. So I was like, you know what? The dollar store has cute little jars and pretty flowers for damn cheap. And I'm pretty cheap. So I figured I could make it myself. Why not? So I got my dollar store bags right here and a couple of other random things that I found. I'm like, $1? I'm totally gonna try this out because why not? It's $1. They're not the length I normally use. I like really long nails, but the color was what drove me in. And plus they had the glue and I was like, why not try it? For my supplies, what I got for my cute little plant, I got a really tall square vase, and then I got a short one, which was super cute. I sort of wanted them to match, but not match. And then I got this little foam thing. I was just gonna cut in half and stick them inside for the flowers. DIY time. So one of the things that I spray painted a while ago was this little plate. It was silver from the dollar store. And this guy down here, I spray painted that one and then these two jars behind it because I just love these colors. So these are my supplies. I'm gonna go outside and spray paint because that just seems like the smart thing to do. Check out the garden, it's looking so good. Beautiful. All right, so I'm outside. I found a pizza box and I was like, oh, perfect. So I think what I'm gonna do is make the big one pink and the little one gold. Yep. I feel with the gold I have to put so many more layers. So here they are, now they're gonna dry. I'm gonna go inside and do something else because I'm too impatient. So while I'm waiting for those jars to dry, I figured I'd just go ahead and cut all of the flowers off of these stems. Probably just right about this long. Yeah, sounds good. So my dollar store manicure turned out so good. I'm really excited. Like, what? How? Like Liza would say, $1? I love her. But yeah, the next time I am feeling hella cheap, like today, I will definitely do this again. Seriously, I've never been so excited about the dollar store and what they have for me. Like, dollar store manicure. What? Now I got vases, I got flowers, I got nails. Shoot, I even got hair color. I mean, it's not permanent, but still, I can have pink hair for the day. Pink hair? I think yes. So excited. Nails feel cute. I could do this. I don't know. Well, hopefully they stay on for the rest of my project. If they don't, I'll keep you posted. This is like the best thing since sliced bread. Yes! Score! Okay, so my jars are painted, looking good. Now I'm just gonna cut this in half. Woo! Nope. No, I shouldn't took the plastic off, I guess. That would have been smart. Wow. Okay, now that I cut this in half, I'm going to stick one of each inside of these jars and then place my flowers in them. Okay, so I got the foamy thingy thing inside of each jar, and I'm going to put the white flowers with the pink jar and the pink flowers with the gold jar. Okay, one down. Now let's start with the roses. I'm sort of just placing them anywhere and then filling them once I find out where I want them. Alright, well there we go. They turned out so good. I'm so happy. Now to find a home for these beautiful new supplements. Faux flowers. I hate that word. It sounds so weird. Thank you, dollar store. Alright guys, well that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe, press the like button, and leave me a comment. I'll see you next week. Bye! Bye! Say bye! 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 Bye, Shrek! Bye, Shrek! Bye, Shrek! Bye, Shrek! Shrek! See? We're always watching Shrek. Every day. All day. And Donkey. Oh. My Cheeto face. Shrek! Shrek!